Hey guys, in this video we are going to discuss the question set number 49 in our DBMS question series. The school enters the data after installing this software. All school information is included in the software. The principal of the school informed us that the software had to be removed and reinstalled due to a virus in the computer. Imagine that you have chosen yourself for that. Here you can see that the database has to be backup. To create a backup file, select the C partition, use Runabima School DB backup as the name of the backup file, create the required backup query for this. So we have to open the CMD command prompt. After that, we have to give the MySQL path. We have to give the MySQL path. And copy this and paste here. After that you can enter. Okay, now we are in that path. Now we have to use MySQL dump function, and we have to give the username and password. Now we have to give the database name here. Our database name is Ranabima School DB. Okay, after that we have to give the here we have to give the path of the folder. So here you can see I have created a MySQL backups folder in this path. Copy this path and paste here. After that we have to so here we have to give the this path where the fold is. Copy the path and you can paste here, and after that we have to give the file name. So they have given the file name as Ranabima School DB backup. So after that we can paste here. After that we can enter it. Now we have to give the password here. Mm, okay. After that we can see, you can see the backup file here. uh, okay, these are the requirements of question set number 49. We'll meet from the last question set number 50. Thank you.